Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to create and save draft emails in Gmail. So to start with, you need to navigate to your Gmail account. So I'm going to click on Compose. So I'm going to add in who I'm sending the email to. So I'll send it to my other email address. Say something like hi, put the subject in, and then write the email. Obviously you would write in, whatever message you want to send. So when you've finished your message, you are gonna just look at the top right hand side where this little X is. You might think that is deleting the email, but it's actually saving it and it will close that window so you can go back and edit it at a later date. So I'm going to click on that. And then on the left-hand side, I'm going to click into my drafts tab, and this is my message saved in the drafts. So I can go back and edit it and send it to whoever I want. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.